it's the birthday of Daddy, so we're going to celebrate it in... Where?
In Dubai.
No. And
In?
in Riverland. So we're waiting for our friends and our ninongs and ninangs. So we're gonna meet there and see you.
Hi, so we just arrived here in Riverland. Dito na si Ninang and Ninang and si Daddy. Riverland, Dubai, a fun, themed dining and retail destination. It's in the heart of Dubai parks and resorts, which you can access without purchasing a ticket. As we enter, it's like embarking a journey through time. We've experienced the street ambience, theaters, and cuisines in 4 of the greatest eras from our past. Riverland is indeed true to its promises because it did not only take us to a wonderful culinary and shopping experience, but also in a journey through time. This is the first part of the Riverland, which is the French village. Well, it reminds me of the 16th century Dijon in France. The village has its own central town square with a working water wheel across the river. As I walk along the winding paths in between olive trees and structured buildings, I was definitely entertained by the sound of classical French music. The restaurants in the French village reflect a European theme as well. And our ultimate favorite, the American-Italian restaurant, Olive Garden.
Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday!
Blow!
Salamat ka dahil.
Hindi, para mauwagin mo dahil kay Lait. Gift ni Carlos og ni Jan kay ang keke.
Ay, naraman ni Aileen.
I-open na. Lo!
Naka-perfect.
Naka-perfect.
Paris man na ani, oh.
Oy, from Jackie.
Paris.
Na.
Sili, nasuko siya. Kaya nga na di ko ma-open. Hindi niya matag yung gift.
Yak!
Wala siya kaya.
Sabi, mamura.
Hulo ka na!
Ka-perfect ba na?
Dati ingon mo siya small daw. Small.
Ah, okay lang eh.
Kaya na lang, mag-adjust na lang daw siya.
Dad, ganara ka sa mga gift?
Hugog.
Kahit daw mag-open. Unang dapat gahit ganyan ang gift.
Naka-perfect ka na.
Very nice. Wallet na.
Hinahinigit, ma'am.
Matchi na guys.
Pachire!
Ayaw na, mating na siya kuhaan sa Dubai Mall.
Uy, napay card! Ay, perfect! Ganaan ka?
Pressure si Jen.
Kay Ninong Ski. Ano siya?
Ay, natik ka.
Ay, thank you.
Taas sa speech, please.
Di ba? Touching? I touch you.
Atay eh.
Salamat kayo sa tanan sa pag-aray. O sa kaya sa inyong gugma.
Murag, politik mo sa
Nya, so, dahil sa mga wa ni Ari, Mirisi.
Mga wali ari marisi. Mga wali ari marisi. Mga wali ari marisi.
I wish.
Wash me way, wash me.
Great na rin mo, Memoy.
Ga.
Ay, nasa nila, te. Ayaw, sa wala sa ito na, ne.
Now